Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful seashell crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, seashell jewelry is fun and easy to make. Turn shells into necklaces, bracelet, earring, or keychains. Handmade jewelry also make a wonderful gifts. You can decorate flower pot with seashells to give them a coaster style. Simply glue shells around the pot and let it dry. And friends, for children, seashells crafts are exciting and educational. Kids can paint shells in bright color and create animals, flowers, and funny faces. And viewers, friends, you can also make decorative seashell ball. Attach shells around a ball shape use it to hold small items like key, jewelry, and coins. Seashell centerpieces are perfect for dining tables. Combine shells with candles, sand, and small stone to create a beautiful display. And friends, these crafts are affordable, easy, and suitable for all ages. They are a wonderful way to bring the little bit of the beach into your home. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so I love you.